cross slide is a service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves the use of a machine tool to move a cutting tool perpendicular to the workpiece's axis of rotation. This process is used to create precise cuts and shapes on the workpiece, allowing for the creation of complex parts and components. The cross slide is an essential tool in the manufacturing industry, as it allows for the creation of intricate and precise parts that are necessary for a wide range of applications. The cross slide is used in a variety of manufacturing processes, including metalworking, woodworking, and plastics manufacturing. It is commonly used in the production of parts for machinery, such as gears, bearings, and shafts. The cross slide is also used in the production of components for the automotive, aerospace, and medical industries, where precision and accuracy are critical. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of custom parts and components for a wide range of industries. The company has extensive experience in the use of cross-slide technology, and its team of skilled technicians and engineers are experts in the use of this tool. Berkness Company uses cross-slide technology to create precise cuts and shapes on a variety of materials, including metals, plastics, and composites. If you are interested in learning more about cross-slide technology and how it can be used in your manufacturing processes, Berkness Company is the perfect partner. The company has a wealth of experience in the use of this technology and can provide you with the expertise and guidance you need to achieve your manufacturing goals. To learn more about cross-slide technology and how Berkness Company can help you, visit the Contact Us page on the company's website. FAQs. 1. What is a cross-slide in manufacturing? A cross-slide is a component of a lathe machine that allows the cutting tool to move perpendicular to the axis of rotation of the workpiece. It is used to make precise cuts and shape the workpiece to the desired dimensions. 2. How does a cross-slide work? A cross-slide typically consists of a saddle that moves along the lathe bed and a cross-slide that moves perpendicular to the saddle. The cutting tool is mounted on the cross-slide and can be adjusted to make precise cuts. The cross slide is controlled by a hand wheel or a power feed mechanism. 3. What are the benefits of using a cross slide in manufacturing? Using a cross slide allows for greater precision and accuracy in cutting and shaping workpieces. It also allows for more complex shapes to be created and reduces the need for multiple setups or adjustments. This can save time and increase efficiency in the manufacturing process. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.